Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're on a journey to transform your living spaces into havens of peace and warmth. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we can relax, unwind, and recharge after a long day. So if you're ready to create a living space that truly sparks joy, join me as we delve into 10 practical tips that will make your home the coziest it can be. Lighting plays a crucial role in setting the mood of a room. Instead of relying solely on ceiling lights, embrace the warmth of lamps. Think soft, diffused light that creates a cozy glow. Consider table lamps, floor lamps, and even fairy lights. Experiment with warm-toned light bulbs as they cast a more inviting ambiance compared to cool-toned ones. Just like lighting, textures can dramatically influence the atmosphere of your living space. Imagine the feeling of sinking into a plush velvet sofa or running your hand over a chunky knit blanket. Incorporate textures through throw pillows, blankets, rugs, and even curtains. Natural materials like wool, linen, and cotton create a sense of organic comfort. Don't be afraid to mix and match different textures to add visual interest and create a cozy, layered look. Did you know that colors have a profound impact on our moods and emotions? When aiming for a cozy atmosphere, it's best to gravitate towards warm, earthy tones. Think about the colors you find in nature: calming blues, grounding greens, warm browns, and comforting creams. You can incorporate these colors through wall paint, furniture choices, or even decorative accents. If you prefer a bolder touch, consider adding pops of color through artwork or throw pillows. Plants are incredible additions to any living space as they bring a touch of life and freshness indoors. Choose plants that thrive in indoor environments and complement your existing decor. Place them strategically around your living space, on shelves, windowsills, or even hanging from the ceiling. Even a single plant can make a noticeable difference in creating a cozy and inviting ambiance. A truly cozy living space is a reflection of your unique personality and style. Don't be afraid to display cherished photographs, travel souvenirs, or artwork that speaks to your heart. These personal touches make your space feel lived in, loved, and uniquely yours. Embrace the items that bring you joy and let them tell your story. The way you arrange your furniture can significantly impact the overall flow and coziness of your living space. Think about creating conversational areas where people can gather comfortably. Instead of pushing all your furniture against the walls, try floating pieces towards the center of the room. A well-arranged room feels spacious yet cozy, inviting you to relax and enjoy the company of loved ones. Our sense of smell is incredibly powerful and can evoke a range of emotions. To enhance the coziness of your living space, consider incorporating scents that promote relaxation and tranquility. Candles are an excellent way to add both ambiance and fragrance. Choose scents like vanilla, lavender, or sandalwood. You can also use essential oil diffusers to disperse subtle scents throughout your home. Clutter can be a major source of stress and can make your living space feel chaotic and overwhelming. Take some time to declutter and organize your belongings. Keep surfaces clean and free of unnecessary items. Find a designated spot for everything. When everything has its place, you create a sense of order and tranquility, allowing you to fully relax and enjoy your cozy haven. Imagine having a dedicated space in your home designed for relaxation and escape. A cozy reading nook is the perfect spot to curl up with a good book, a warm cup of tea, and let the stresses of the day melt away. Choose a quiet corner with ample natural light. Add a comfortable armchair or a plush beanbag. Layer in soft blankets and pillows to create a sense of luxurious comfort. When it comes to creating a cozy living space, don't underestimate the power of soft furnishings. Think plush rugs that feel heavenly underfoot, cuddly throw blankets draped over sofas, and an abundance of cushions to sink into. These soft touches add a layer of warmth and comfort, inviting you to relax and unwind. Opt for natural, breathable fabrics like cotton, linen, or wool, as they add to the overall sense of coziness. As we've explored these 10 tips, remember that creating a cozy living space is a journey, not a destination. It's about curating an environment that brings you joy, peace, and a sense of belonging. Embrace the process of transforming your living spaces into true sanctuaries. Thank you for joining me on this cozy adventure. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more inspiration on creating a life that sparks joy.